Now, your Weather Authority forecast, sponsored by Greenway of the Shoals. No fees whatsoever on your next car. A new way, the right way. GreenwayoftheShoals.com.
Another hot and humid day today. Temperatures topping out in low 90s, the heat index in the triple digits. And we'll see a few scattered showers and storms today as well. Already seeing some of these pop up on radar right now, particularly from, say, Lawrence and Limestone counties eastward and southeastwards, where we've seen a lot of the activity at this point. These are pretty isolated, and we expect that to be the case as we head through the rest of this afternoon. Some of us get a heavy downpour, others miss out. If you don't get any rain, expect things to be very hot and humid as we head through the rest of this afternoon. By 6 or 7 o'clock, most of this rain will be winding down. To get us out of one of these really hot and humid patterns, sometimes one of the things that can do that in August is a tropical system. And we are watching potential tropical cyclone 6. This is a designation the National Hurricane Center uses to give people a little advanced warning when they think that a tropical storm could form, and they still think that's going to be the case. This is past the Lesser Antilles, starting to make its way towards the Virgin Islands and Puerto Rico right now. And we'll zoom on in and show you what things look like in San Juan. This camera from our friends at hurricanetrack.com. That's the view from San Juan. Some of the outer bands starting to approach Puerto Rico now. Pressure at 1,012 millibars. Winds in this system 35, moving west-northwest at 18 miles an hour. The forecast track from the National Hurricane Center has this skirting past Puerto Rico and coming right over the island of Hispaniola. So that's the Dominican Republic and Haiti. That's going to pretty severely disrupt this system, and there's a chance that it could dissipate as it moves over some of the higher terrain here. If it doesn't, it's going to move into the warm waters of the Caribbean and ultimately start to track towards the Florida Peninsula. Now, note how wide the cone gets here as we head into the weekend. This thing could slip on the east coast of Florida. It could be pushing into the Gulf, though, so we'll have to keep an eye on this as we head into early next week for what kind of impacts it could have here. At this point, how this track works out, whether or not this system survives past Hispaniola, still questions to be answered as we head into next week. As for this week, big ridge in the upper levels of the atmosphere is going to keep us hot, humid, and in this summertime pattern. That ridge, actually one of the things that's helping steer this tropical system towards Florida and perhaps the Gulf of Mexico. If this ridge is a bit stronger, you can expect this system to be a little bit further to the west, pushing it further away from high pressure. For the next few days, that ridge of high pressure keeping us hot and humid. Temperatures in the 90s, heat index in the 100s. This breaks down a bit as we enter next week, and that tropical system could have some impacts too. So between a Sunday and Monday, those numbers could change a bit, but at least through Saturday, expect daily scattered showers and thunderstorms. Hot and humid weather, scattered showers and storms, and as we head into next week, we're going to have to see what happens with potential tropical cyclone 6 as to what kind of impacts that could have in our forecast here.